Today is the February 4th, and good morning all trader around the world. It's 2022, and good morning everyone in 6 a.m. Central Time. Here we can see the dollars is just went out. The dollar is going down, and all energy is up, and all finance kind of up a little bit, and all it indicate kind of swing the contact, and especially gold is higher. And we can see on the screen, we can see the stock. I can say the stock everywhere, even though US, even though Europe, even though in Asia, just a little one. Hang Seng is 3.24% higher, and a lot of them everywhere is red. It's called a globalize on the world is dropping today. But today's red is normally, and Dow Jones dropped 1%, SP100. Every of them like drop crazily, and especially we call the stock leader in the market, especially like Amazon, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, AMD, Google, NVDA, as a big company like SQ, Sharp, V, Spot, Baba, F. All of them, the stock leader of the stock market right now is every of them kind of drop a little bit, just only UNH is like $8 or $9, and especially all the information got affected by unemployment. The economy is kind of stopped. Actually, it's not stop going up. It start going down. Since today, because I look up all the information on the national economy reporting, it's look horrible for today. It doesn't look good at all. And in energy, communication, ETFS or finance saving, finance consumer, and indicate real estate, advertising, and bank, waste remover, wireless nation. A lot of them didn't move that much, but the first pay is better, and this pay is dropped. Even the hotel, medical supply, consumer, utility, cable drop so much, and they start dropping from 0.9 to 1.29 everything. But we're going to have some more like biotech, medical products, and trucks, banks, and finance service drop. Didn't look good at all, and now it's dropping more, like almost 2%, especially indicate financials, and it's gonna jump to like 7%, like a paper, internet, building, retail, computer, everything kind of dropped crazy today, and we need to know some of the predicted done is 2,240 pounds, and American done is about 2,000 pounds. We need to know some of those information because the overview, we need to know what's going on about everything, and this some kind of converse about those number, one bush for corn, for wheat, for barley, and those highlight for today is U.S. processed margin, like the ethanol 35 cents per gallon. So I mean, they're crazy. They gang up very tight. That's a lot. And our benefit from the farmer for this week, farmer they make good money, especially like our last 2 days. Do you think that a lot of farmer in America play stock? Yes, they do. Especially they play a lot of stock in like their produce or their produce relative, like a tours and those company. And especially it's corn, it's supposed like sell out like 46.3 MBU, and global raise a little bit, but Russian is for 16% on the year. That's really, really, really low. But UK is supposed like 38%, or like double. Brazil, swing around. It's not that much though. But soybeans, this we reading about the U.S. Soybeans sell 40.3 MU. Its new crop is 32.4. Brazil, 11%, kind of low. And soybean in Brazil, lowest in 7 years. They didn't make good at all, especially. We got more news about why do we need to learn about this, because we need to know, and this though information we know and we can guess, or those information will be guideline, give yourself like good direction where is the stock go. Especially remember the map, the first couple pictures, when the global map is affect a lot. It's called global stock. Russian is right now would like drop down to 21%. And livestock beef as 20,100 MT. So the Chinese and beef sale was canceled on pork, but Brazil is sparks like 33,000 MT last year, but this year's like 140,000 MT. And we can see this big chain you can buy on this list, especially Snapchat. Whoever I say last it's around a minute yesterday, you can make $10 a share yesterday. One of my students just make $1 a share. She got 100 share. And some of the traders make around $5-7 a share yesterday. And when the traders buy, they buy 1,000 shares, not buy just like 10 or 5 share, depend. But the thing is, when you buy a small share and when you make many order and they fill out, then you make good money. Some people like Snap so much because Snap is very, very good company, but they got bought by Facebook. But anyway, Snap is pretty like a Snapchat. It's a good app to use, and they just automatic like delete 24 hours, especially like Facebook history, Facebook story, And one more we need to take a look on is IKNA and Dave, DAVE, and RFP, those company you need to take a look, because there's a lot of information, and every day I just have 10 minutes to report all everything around the world. So you guys got that 10 minutes. I have to spend like hours for every day. But today is fourth. Four is a good one. You can buy from 17. That's pretty good number, because like when the economy went down like this and not many people want to work, and the unemployment numbers gained pretty high, and of course this one may drop in $15, And you can tell it's high as 25 and low as $11. It's very stable, like around $13-14, but the cap is around still $79 to $80 billion. It's pretty good looking. So thank you very much.